Daily life questions in English. What time do you usually wake up? Do you set an alarm to get up? What's the first thing you do in the morning? Do you prefer a shower in the morning or at night? What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you do for a living? Do you work from home or go to the office? How do you usually get to work or school? What time does your weekday start? Do you like your job or studies? Where do you usually buy your groceries? How often do you go shopping? Do you make a shopping list before going to the store? Do you prefer paying in cash or with a card? Have you ever forgotten to buy something important? What's your favorite thing to eat for lunch? Do you cook every day? How often do you eat out? What's your go-to dinner when you're tired? Do you drink coffee or tea? How often do you check your phone? What apps do you use the most? Do you prefer texting or calling? How many hours do you spend online every day? Do you use social media? Which platforms? Do you clean your house every day? What household chores do you dislike the most? Do you cook or does someone else cook for you? How often do you do laundry? Do you make your bed every morning? What do you like to do in your free time? Do you watch TV or stream shows? What kind of music do you enjoy? Do you read books? Which kind? Do you have a hobby or activity you do every day? What time do you usually go to bed? Do you watch TV or use your phone before sleeping? How many hours do you sleep on average? Do you sleep well at night? Do you have a bedtime routine? What's the weather like today? Does the weather affect your mood? Do you prefer sunny or rainy days? How do you feel today? What do you usually do on a rainy day? What time is it now? Do you usually arrive on time? What time do you have lunch? What's your busiest day of the week? How do you organize your daily schedule? Do you exercise regularly? What time do you usually take a shower? Do you drink enough water every day? Do you write a to-do list? Do you have any morning or night rituals? Do you skip breakfast sometimes? What's your favorite snack? Do you cook traditional food from your country? How often do you eat fruits and vegetables? What's something you always keep in your fridge? Do you drive or use public transport? How long does it take to get to work or school? Do you prefer walking or biking? Have you ever been late because of traffic? What's the best way to travel in your city? Do you see your friends often? How do you stay in touch with family? Do you prefer going out or staying home? What do you usually do with your friends? Do you like meeting new people? What do you do online every day? Do you watch videos on YouTube or TikTok? Do you check your email daily? How many hours do you spend on your phone? Do you ever take a break from social media? What's your favorite room in your house? Do you live alone or with others? What do you usually do at home after work? Is your home usually quiet or noisy? What chores do you do on the weekend? How are you feeling today? What do you do when you feel stressed? Do you take breaks during the day? Do you meditate or practice mindfulness? What makes you feel happy during the day? Do you keep track of your expenses? How often do you go to the bank? Do you prefer saving or spending? Do you buy things online? What was the last thing you bought? What's one thing you want to achieve this week? Do you set daily goals? What motivates you to get up every morning? How do you stay productive during the day? What's something new you want to try soon? Do you wake up early or late? What do you usually wear in the morning? Do you check your phone as soon as you wake up? Do you drink water before or after breakfast? What's your ideal morning like? Do you lock the door when you leave? What do you always carry in your bag? Do you usually forget anything at home? What do you usually listen to when you go out? Do you talk to neighbors when you see them? How many cups of coffee do you drink a day? Do you take breaks during work? What do you usually eat during your break time? Where do you like to go for a short walk? Do you prefer working alone or with others? Do you watch TV or YouTube in the evening? What's your favorite show right now? Do you use your phone in bed? What helps you relax at night? Do you go to bed at the same time every day? Are you learning something new right now? Do you read books or listen to podcasts? What's one thing you learned today? Do you prefer learning online or in person? What skill do you want to improve? Do you meal prep for the week? What's your favorite thing to cook? Do you try new recipes often? Do you eat leftovers or cook something new? What's one ingredient you always use? What's the best thing that happened today? Do you talk to strangers often? What do you hear outside your window right now? What made you smile today? Do you follow a daily routine or go with the flow? Coffee or tea? Sweet or salty? Morning or night? Walk or drive? Talk or text?